The anticipation is palpable as we approach the launch of One UI 7, with Samsung gearing up to release Android 15 and One UI 7 for their existing Galaxy devices. The official rollout is expected to follow the debut of the Galaxy S25 series. However, for now, a select group of users has been getting a taste of what's to come through the One UI 7 beta program, including owners of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra in specific regions. But here's the burning question that's on the minds of many Samsung users. Will more devices, particularly other flagship models like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy S23, be able to join the beta before 2024 wraps up? For weeks, there have been murmurs and speculation about the possibility of the One UI 7 beta expanding to these devices. And while the hope was high, the latest news raises doubts, with many wondering if the beta will even be extended to other phones at all. Rumors have started circulating suggesting that Samsung may have decided to skip the beta testing phase for all devices except the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra and move straight to the stable One UI 7 firmware. And as strange as this sounds, there's a growing possibility that these rumors could hold some truth. The reasoning behind this decision is quite straightforward. Samsung's One UI 7 beta program began later than expected, and rolling out to additional devices now could delay the stable update's official release. This is a critical point as Samsung likely wants to ensure that their devices get the update promptly and without any unnecessary setbacks. The beta version, after all, has already been running smoothly on the Galaxy S24 lineup with just 2 updates. This suggests that testing on other smartphones may no longer be necessary as the software seems to be in good shape for a stable release. For those who are hoping for a broader rollout of the beta, this might be a disappointing turn of events. While it's still possible that some devices could get a chance to try out One UI 7 before the final release, the chances seem slim at this stage. If the beta does expand, it's likely to be a smaller, more selective group of devices rather than the wide range that some users had anticipated. Of course, this is all speculative for now. Samsung has yet to confirm anything officially, and until the company releases a statement, the fate of the One UI 7 beta remains uncertain. It's possible that the rumors are just that, rumors, and there could be more surprises in store for Galaxy device owners. What's clear is that Samsung has put a lot of effort into refining the One UI 7 experience, and it seems like the company is focused on delivering a polished and stable update, especially to its most recent flagship devices. The beta may not be expanding to as many phones as some had hoped, but Samsung's primary goal is likely to get the stable version out without delay, ensuring that users receive a seamless experience as soon as possible. So while it's still unclear whether the One UI 7 beta will make its way to more Galaxy smartphones, one thing is certain: the official release of One UI 7 is just around the corner, and it's set to bring exciting new features and improvements to the Galaxy lineup. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll be sure to keep you informed as soon as any official news breaks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.